Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko te reo tēnei o Ngāti Whātua, e rere atu nei kia koutou, nau mai, hono mai, ki ngā āhuatanga whakanui i a Matariki i tēnei te tau 2022. Ngāti Whātua sends a warm welcome to you all in the time of Matariki year 2022. We also extend a welcome to you all to attend the celebrations here at Takaparawhau o Rākei on the morning of Tuesday the 21st of Pipiri, June. Nau mai, haere mai, nau mai, haere mai. Here we will conduct the formalities of the Umukohukohu Whetū, where we will have an umu or a hāngī, a earth oven with certain foods in it to feed Matariki. So Matariki is a cluster that has many stars, but in Te Ao Māori some tribes will celebrate 7, some will celebrate 9. Now within those 9 stars, 4 of them are dedicated to the realm of food. Tupuanuku and Tupuarangi. Let's start there. Tupuanuku is the star for foods that are grown in the soil, Tupuanuku. Tupuarangi, foods that are on trees or bird life. So things of the above realm, Tupuarangi. Then we have the other 2 stars dedicated to foods, that's Waiti and Waitā. Waiti is all foods from fresh water, and Waitā are foods from the sea waters. So we will have on that morning a range of foods from those 4 areas, and we invite you along 5:30 a.m. that morning, Tuesday the 21st of June, so that we can, and we will together pull those foods out of the earth oven and put them on a ahurewa, a platform, and the steam will rise to feed Matariki. Umukohukohu Whetū, hāngī hau. So the umu is that earth oven. The hāngī hau is the steam that rises to feed Matariki, to ensure a good, prosperous year in terms of the realm of food, with Tupuanuku, Tupuarangi, Waiti and Waitā. So we're looking forward to having you here. We'll kick off 5:30 that morning, and formalities will take about an hour to an hour and a half long. So nau mai, haere mai, nau mai, haere mai, nau mai, haere mai. Ka moia whaitiri i a kai tangata ka puta, ko he manana ko tā whaki, ko tā whaki e.